Mm. Yeah, go. Ay, ako na yan.
Are you gonna watch me?
Yeah. Hindi nakapagdala ng pamalit. Nothing, just play there. It's okay. Di magbasa ng gusto.
Oh,
Yan mo.
look, ito na may ulit.
Yun yan. Yeah, we'll try when we walk. Lamot ang isaw. It's okay, go.
Look, ito na may ulit.
Yun yan. Yeah, we'll try when we walk. Lamot ang isaw. It's okay, go.
Babasahin. Babasahin yung
Magbasa lang yan kanyang ganyan.
short mo.
Okay lang yan dyan, magbasa-basa.
Bahala ka ha. Huwag mo pangasa kayo yan. Kayong dalawa yung magbasa. Pag kayo basa.
Dyan lang yan.
Oh.
Halika na! Magu. Georgina! Magu. Magu. Georgina! Maguhubo na to. Iya. Tara na.
It will dry.
I know, but enough na. Very wet. Let's go. Tara na.
It will dry.
I know, but enough na. Very wet. Let's go. Daddy's gonna cry. He said you can get the seat in the car.
Because of the water.
Daddy's gonna cry. He said you can get the seat in the car.
Because of the water.
Tara na, son.
Damit, tingnan mo yan.
Tara na.
Only my pants that's wet.
Tara na. Sa
Let's go to a warmer place so it's easier to dry.
Yeah. It will dry. Don't worry. Let's go to the miniature railway.
Well, where do you go?
Naghahanap ka ba ng damit? Damit. No. Maghuhubo na si Georgina at saka jacket niya sa sasakyan. 'Di ba?
Mommy, can you give this to me? I need to put it on so it can dry. I don't care if it gets wet.
Check ko ang ano, yung train. Check ko ang ano, yung train. Very busy ang park. Yan oh.
Sorry. I mean, it is a good place for us.
May ice cream. May ice cream. May playground.
Huh? I wish we could go there first. I wish we could go there first. Hey, I'm not allowed to go because I already went. So yeah, I'm not allowed to be there.
Thank you very much.
Just
Have a lovely
come.
afternoon.
Why not?
I'm not allowed in there because I already went to the swimming pool. Wait, am I still allowed?
Yeah.
Because I heard it's really hot there. Because if you run around, it will like, if the invisible water will like come out.
It will dry because it's warm today.
So I'm not allowed to go in there.
Hmm?
Can I play? Can I play? Oh, why did I ask that question?
Yan ba yung train? Yun. We're gonna ride on a train.
Yay! Yay!
Mag-ride tayo.
But where is it? Mommy, where is this train heading to? Mommy.
How much? 3 pounds. O tara na,
Ride the train.
Ano yan? Ah, yun.
Mommy, when is the train moving?
We're gonna ride on a train.
I'm gonna take my shoes off.
No, it's fine.
I mean because
3, please.
Yeah. It'll be £9 for 3 people.
Okay. We're not fit. Okay.
Is this one way or? No, it comes back here.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
oh my god, we can't.
Lovely, thank you.
Kaya ba tayo? Nasaan ang ulo nito?
Yo, hindi kayo tumayo.
Nasaan ang ulo?
Oh, there.
Yun nga, yun ang ulo na.
They're supposed to attach that.
Hindi ka.
Ow.
Doon ka humarap. Yan.
Wait, more seats. There's more.
Regina, wear your slippers. You forgot your slippers. Correct.
Ooh, they have rocks in it.
Put your socks on.
Can I just wear my socks on? Because
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, you sit down na na.
It doesn't matter.
Saan kaya ang ikot na rin? Baka ready nilang iikot.
Hindi ah. Malayo lang.
Saan kaya to iikot? Dali, Georgina!
Gina. Time to go na.
We're going... Mag-picture ka.
Oh, Georgina! Hey!
Uy, Georgina, mag-hold ka. Bilisan mo. Dito ka mag-hold.
I'm just gonna sit here.
Mag-picture ka. Georgina, why are you sitting there? Georgina, why are you sitting there? Sit here. going?
Layo.
Where are we going?
Mini.
Bata-bataan.
Already finished?
3 pounds each.
Gawa lang.
Parang may Pinoy sa likod. Meron nga. Georgina, sit here. Georgina, sit here. Yan yung mga lumang trail ano, pinalitan nila. Wheel tasty. Danger, give off.
Oh, rin pala yung tubig. Sinasabay.
Ah,
Tubig na inaano nga.
okay.
Hindi ka magtapitap na. Oh.
Di mo nga pinayagan doon sa splash pool.
Next time, gano'n na tayo ng mga dami.
Okay lang naman kasi may ganito. Tsaka pahubarin na to.
Aman nila.
Oo.
Ano naman? Malunod.
Hindi, pagsasakay ng sasakyan. Tumingin ka, Happy Father's Day. Laging high blood sa buhay. High star sa
Father's Day sa
buhay.
inyong lahat.
Happy Father's Day.
Going out and back.
Parang 3 ikot. Ah, hindi. Iba palang way to.
Balik na tayo.
Nagpaghughog ng kinain.
Maganda summer. Ito.
O, di ba summer na? We're riding on a miniature railway.
Balik na. Lipat na. Lipat.
Ah, oo, doon na. Going back.
Mushroom!
Tabi-tabi po. Mabahong usok.
Usok lang sa straight.
Cover your nose.
Going back.
Kalingalinga ang driver. Baka binibilang ata kung kumpleto pa yan. We're back. Whistle. Doon magwi-whistle pagka ano. Malapit na.
Lilipat ng ano.
All the trail wrong way.
Balik na. Umiikot na. Ayun, may ari.
Dalawa ba ang ano doon? Iikot. Doon naman yan sa kabila, ang labas.